This is the question for the previous video. Now the solution is nothing but 4a minus a minus 8 plus 7. Here we get 3a, here we get minus 1. Only that. If you were to identify the coefficient of a, over the coefficient of a is equals to 3. Let us dive in deeper with the algebra. For example, you are given in algebra 2 bracket 3, let's say 3a plus 4b. What do? You expand this, you multiply to become 6a plus 80b. This is example 1. Example number 2, probably maybe you'll be given 7 bracket x plus y bracket minus, let us say 3 bracket x minus y to expand. So when you're expanding this, it means you get nothing but 7x plus 7y minus 3x. And minus times a minus is a positive. So you get a positive 3y. Let me arrange like terms. Minus 3x plus 7y plus 3y. So here we get 4x plus 10y. This is how we simplify the algebra. Now, example 3. Bracket a plus 1 bracket b plus 2 bracket. So what you do, you expand the bracket by multiplying this here with all that. Or you can form something like this here, where a bracket b plus 2 bracket, then plus a number, is plus 1 bracket b plus 2, just like that. Then you expand here by coming with a b plus 2a. A times a b, we get a b. A times a 2, we get 2a. 1 here times a b, we get a b. 1 here times a 2, we get a 2. And this is an algebraic expression, so we'll end here. Now simplify. 4ab minus 3a bracket b minus 5. Simplify this.